So I had my Larson storm door deadbolt start hanging up and not operating properly, and I got concerned that it was going to get locked shut and not be able to open it. Was considering buying a new one, and then I figured, well,
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Got my front door. Unfortunately, the latch is sticking, and it doesn't always unlock. It's been sticking, so I'm gonna try just lubing it first, but I'll show you what's going on here. Okay, it's locked, right? But trying to unlock it, it won't grab it. I'll have to push it in, and then it'll unlock. So, not good, right? See that? It's hanging up. I'm going to try just lubing it. That's going to be the first deal. So. Oh, that seems like it's done the trick. Good. I was going to go with taking the whole thing apart, but looks like I don't need to. No sense getting too crazy. Seems like that channel is helping. Good. All fixed. That was an easy one. Try with my key and just make sure that it always unlocks, because, you know, I don't want to get locked out. There we go. Good. There we go, all fixed. Nice and easy. This was a 3-in-1 lock dry lube, so it dries, so it doesn't attract dust, so it's great. So now I'm just going to make sure. That's good. You know, while I'm here, I should really hit this latch as well. The latch piece, and keep everything going good. Kind of good for the metal anyway. So, all right, all fixed. I was all ready to, thinking that I needed to buy a new lock, and part of me kind of wanted to get a different finish lock to match this one, but for the money, I'll just hold off. Done deal. Nice and easy. Quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos. Bye.